This is Algebra 1, Unit 3, Lesson 4, Continued, Rate of Change. Lesson 4 was on finding the slope of a line given 2 points on the line. This is similar to that, except it's going to be in word form. So our first problem says a climber is on a hike. After 2 hours, he is at an altitude of 400 feet. After 6 hours, he is at an altitude of 700 feet. What is the average rate of change? So this might look familiar to you. It almost looks like ordered pairs. At 2 hours, he is at 400 feet. At 6 hours, he's at 700 feet. Or maybe you prefer the table of values. If we consider it an XY table of values, at 2 hours, he's at 400 feet. At 6 hours, he's at 700 feet. And we're going to find the slope of that line, his increase. So we're going to use our y minus y over x minus x. So we're going to take 700 minus 400, that's our y minus our y, over our x minus x, which is 6 minus 2. So it looks like he increased 300 feet in a rate of 4 hours. So let's simplify that. We're going to take 300 divided by 4. We're going to get 75 over 1. So to answer their question, what is his average rate of change? It looks like he was able to increase 75 feet in 1 hour. Okay, that's his rate of change, which is just a fancy way of saying the slope of his increase. Next one says a plane left Chicago at 8 a.m. At 1 p.m. the plane landed in Los Angeles, which is 1,500 miles away. What is the average rate of speed? So this time they're only giving us 1. So it looks like from 8 to 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, it looks like he traveled for 5 hours. So he traveled 1,500 miles in 5 hours. So we're just going to take 1,500 divided by 5, simplify that. So that's going to give us 300 miles in 1 hour. So to answer the question, what is his average speed? He was traveling at 300 miles per hour. All right. This time they just went ahead and put it in a table for us, which is nice. The cost of renting a canoe is given the amount of time. Find the rate of change in cost with respect to time, and don't forget our units. Okay, so your choice, it looks like it's a constant rate, so you can choose any 2 points you want and find again the slope of the line, which is our rate of change. So I'm going to just choose these two. They look easy enough. I'm going to take my y minus my y, 22 minus 11, all over my x minus x, which is 4 minus 2. So it looks like it's $11 for 2 hours. Simplify that. It would give us 5.5 for 1 hour. So it says find the rate of change in cost with respect to time. So it looks like they're spending $5.50 per hour to rent that canoe. All right, here we go. Last one. This person is walking for exercise. What is the rate of change in distance with respect to time? Again, a fancy way of saying, hey, what's the slope of this? So again, it looks like they're walking at a constant rate, so we're just going to choose any 2 points. We're going to take our y minus our y, so it's 4 minus 2, which is miles, over our x minus our x, which is our minutes, 60 minus 30 minutes. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. 60 minus 30 gives us 30. Reduce that to 1 over 15. So it looks like they walk 1 mile for every 15 minutes. All right. Please try the practice problems on Schoology. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.